Welcome to a quick tour of Wynyard's financial crime system. The system enables you to check your customers against watch lists and detect suspicious activity using rules that you can write to match your risk profile. The system allows for multiple reporting entities within an organization. Let's log in and take a look. The Rules Builder lets you write your own rules to detect the kind of activity that you have identified to be a risk to your business. Here we see a rule that identifies cash transactions over a threshold value. By using a parameter for the threshold, you can easily tune this rule. This rule analyzes a pattern of transactions in an account to identify structuring of cash transactions. You can also write rules on customers. Here we see a rule that looks for duplicate IDs, where ID is used to hold a driver's license or passport number, which is supposed to be unique. You can use a draft set of rules to create, test and tune your rules before you promote them to live. The draft rules analyze exactly the same set of data as the live rules. We also make use of lists. Here we see a whitelist of accounts that can be used to exclude accounts from rules. Now let's run a rule. We can schedule rules, but here we will run the rule on demand. The result in both cases is a set of alerts generated when a rule is triggered. Our high cash transaction rule has picked up 2 accounts. We can see the transactions that triggered the alert and can also look at further details about the account and the customer for this alert. We can also see that this account has another alert. When you have analysed the alert, you can close it, set it as suspicious, or submit a suspicious transaction report. The system also enables you to check your customer database against watch lists. We use the Dow Jones Risk and Compliance Global Watch List, which provides a high-quality list of PEPs and sanctioned people and entities. You can also create your own watch list to scan your customers against. You can scan your entire customer database against the watch lists. This results in an alert for every customer that is found on the watch list. Let's have a more in-depth look at this alert on David Cameron. You can see the data held by Dow Jones on David Cameron. You can see his personal details, including relatives and close associates that are also on the watch list. If this is your customer, you can link him to the Dow Jones record on the system and record him as a PEP. You can also screen a single person who is not in your customer list using this watch list check screen. Here we can check on Rebecca Brooks, who has been identified by Dow Jones as a friend of David Cameron and as a special interest person. Thanks for watching this quick tour of Wynyard's financial crime system.